Silverware sorting is a functional, fine motor, visual perception activity where we are looking at our utensils and then sorting them by what the utensil is. So I've started a pile for spoons, a pile for forks, and let's do one for butter knives. So we'll put each of our utensils into the pile that has the same sort of utensil, and we'll keep sorting as quickly as we can, but making sure we're getting our pieces into the right pile. There we go. I've got all of my silverware sorted. Have fun. And you could also add in other kinds of silverware. Just make sure that whatever pieces you're using are appropriate and safe so that we're not using like sharp knives in an activity like this, because we wouldn't want anyone to get hurt or to accidentally cut their finger, which could very easily happen. So let's pick some silverware and have fun doing a utensil sort.